Ever wonder what it takes to deliver the future? To turn your ideas into reality? Lead teams of innovators? And provide solutions that impact the lives of billions of customers daily? At Amazon Operations, our wide range of roles may surprise you. Operations means options, and our millions of employees go beyond the box. From engineers building the latest technology in robotics and AI, managers leading the teams responsible for delivering billions of packages, safety specialists who ensure our people are well at work, both physically and mentally, to technicians who keep our facilities and equipment humming. Our employees are as diverse as the communities we serve, and we actively seek and champion those with different perspectives. What sets us apart is that we empower every employee to make a genuine impact from day one. We offer a pathway to a rewarding career and access to ongoing education and training because your growth is our priority. Whether finishing your degree, continuing to grow in your chosen field, or looking for an entirely new career, there's a place for you here. This is Amazon Operations, the home of the problem solvers, the innovators, the game changers, those delivering the future. Unbox your amazing.